I asked you to tell me 5 things that he loves about you, Rachel. He said, honestly, it was very hard to get down to just 5. I can think of 55. But here you go. Her sense of humor. She is so, lots of O's, so hilarious. Her loyalty. She's loyal to her friends. Her brain and her thinking process. She processes things very well. Her patience. I'm not easy to deal with all the time, but she's able to somehow deal with me without getting openly frustrated all the time. Her love for Jehovah, and she's industrious. She works very hard both at Bethel and in the ministry. She has a good routine of going out in service, and I can tell that's a priority for her. And she loves her Bethel assignment and is really fast in the dining room. Robbie, would you like to know what Rachel said about you? Her first one is, I love his dimple. And she writes, is that weird? I love that he has the right kind of weird and very funny. He loves to laugh. I love how kind he is to everyone he meets, especially those seemingly unliked by others. I love how special he makes me feel. I love the way his eyes light up when he's talking about Jehovah. And I can tell this is his God and that they have such a tight bond. So I think that's a pretty good start.
I, Robert Lee Robinson III, take you, Rachel Jordan Madrid, to be my wedded wife.
I, Rachel Jordan Madrid, take you, Robert Lee Robinson III, to be my wedded husband.
To love and to cherish in accordance with the divine law.
As set forth in the Holy Scriptures for Christian wives.
For Christian husbands.
For as long as we both shall live together on earth.
According to God's marital arrangement.
Would you like to kiss your bride, Robbie? No, really, would you like to kiss your bride? Allow me to be the first to introduce Mr. and Mrs. Robbie and Rachel Robinson.
I do need direction though.
Okay. I'm not gonna do that.
It's true. Tell me what I gotta do to please you. Baby, anything you say I'll do. 'Cause I only wanna make you happy.
What, Robbie?
From the bottom